It's part 3 of our Dubai Chewy Cookies review series. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2 yet, watch it na. Baka andun yung bet or gusto nyong itry. But here are the rankings from parts 1 and 2. Medyo natagalan kami dito sa part 3 kasi 8 na yung Dubai Chewy Cookies na i-review natin. We'll be using the same ranking all throughout the series. Medyo mahaba-haba to, so let's start. Dubai Chewy Cookies ng Sweet Tones by Tony. Tagal ko na gustong matry yung Dubai Chewy Cookies nila plus their choco bars. Isa sa mga murang chewy cookies yung sa Sweet Tones. Ang cute ng packaging and presentation. We ordered their assorted chewy cookies plus a box of 4 ng Dubai Chewy Cookies nila. Tama lang yung size for its price. The marshmallow coating, di siya ganun ka-soft or stretchy. Medyo makapal yung coating sa ibang side so may konting chew siya. Siksik sa filling and sakto lang din yung pagka-creamy niya na bagay sa crunch ng katayfi. Yung pistachio filling, grabe, lasang-lasa yung pagka-nutty niya. I saw their videos na they make their own pistachio sauce and no wonder ganun kalasa yung pistachio flavor dito. Sobrang bet ko to. If mas gusto mo na lamang yung pistachio flavor and hindi ganun katamis, you'll love this. We also ordered yung strawberry matcha nila. Mas malaki siya tingnan kasi may big piece of strawberry inside. Malasa yung marshmallow coating and filling. May asim tamis siya. Yung matcha, earthy and deep yung flavor. Sobrang malasa pero di ganun ka-overpowering. Ito actually mas favorite namin kasi sa Dubai Chewy Cookie nila. Pero both naman masarap. We also got their Biscoff Chewy Cookie. Di nakakaumay yung tamis niya. Tamang-tama lang na lasa mo pa rin yung Biscoff. Sarap. Natry din namin yung Dubai Chewy Cookie with strawberry nila. Pero medyo di nag-work for us yung combo na may konting asim from the strawberry. Mas recommended namin yung OG Dubai and Matcha Strawberry Chewy Cookies nila. For Sweet Tones Dubai Chewy Cookie, clear na oh my god ranking niya. Divine Truffles Dubai Chewy Cookie. May nag-recommend sa kanila sa last video namin. So we ordered agad kasi bet naming matry yung truffles din nila. Ang ganda ng packaging. May pagka-premium ang feels and magandang ipang regalo. Medyo nalitan lang kami sa Dubai Chewy Cookies nila for the price. Malambot yung marshmallow coating nila and maganda rin yung stretch. Generous sa cocoa powder kaya medyo nasasapawan yung pistachio filling. Creamy and sweet yung filling. Masarap yung crunch. Overall, nagustuhan naman namin siya. We also got their matcha pistachio katayfi chewy. Siksik siya sa filling and amoy mo agad yung matcha. Creamy, earthy, and may bitter taste. Kaya super matutuwa ka kung matcha lover ka. Oh my god ako dito. For the Dubai Chewy Cookie, we're ranking it sa highly recommended. Naliitan lang kami sa kanya pero masarap pa rin naman. The Weekend Whisk Dubai Chocolate Chewy Cookies. After namin masad sa kontis na chewy cookie, we had to find other sellers na mochi rin yung coating. And we found the Weekend Whisk. We were advised to warm this up for a few seconds, but we wanted to see kung anong lasa niya na di iniinit. Bilog na bilog and medyo firm yung feels niya. Yung mochi coating, wala siyang stretch and makapal siya. Mas may lasang chocolate yung mochi coating nito, pero matabang pa rin siya for us. Medyo dry yung feeling niya, tapos parang nagdikit-dikit na, pero andun pa rin yung crunch. May flavor naman siya compared dun sa ibang mochi na we tried, but for us, kulang siya sa flavor overall. We also tried warming it up, pero ganun pa rin yung lasa. If di ka mahilig sa matamis but you wanted the Dubai Chewy Cookie na mochi experience, baka magustuhan mo to. We also tried their Berry Necessary Chewy Cookie. Ito mas flavorful siya. Parang strawberry milk yung lasa. Then lastly, yung Nutella The Odds Chewy Cookie nila. Medyo on the bland side din siya for us. Same sila ng Dubai Chewy Cookie nila, so our ranking, it was okay lang. But we recommend you try it if gusto mo ng mochi and ayaw mo ng masyadong matamis. From Diddley Bakery's Chewy Pistachio Bomb. Matagal-tagal din namin hinintay yung order namin from them kasi medyo in demand siya. Maliit lang yung chewy cookie nila. I think one of the smallest so far. Sobrang generous sa cocoa powder. Makapal yung marshmallow coating so medyo wala siyang stretch. Di siya masyadong siksik sa filling pero ang creamy niya and lasang-lasa yung pistachio flavor. Kulang lang siya ng tamis for us as in parang mas pistachio yung lasa talaga. Wala masyadong contrast ng flavors kasi overpowering yung pistachios. Parang kang pumapapak ng crunchy ng peanut butter spread pero pistachios yung gamit. Tapos may pagka-oily siya. Bagay ito sa mga mas gusto yung nutty and creamy na filling. We also tried their Biscoff Chewy Cookie. Not too sweet, di nakakaumay, but lasa mo pa rin yung Biscoff. Yung hazelnut chewy cookie nila, may mga bits of nuts inside. Di siya lasang Nutella, so they probably also made their own hazelnut cream. Sakto lang din yung tamis niya. For their Dubai Chewy Cookie, we give it a yummy ranking. We like the nuttiness, but bitin lang sa flavor contrast. Rihanna's Bakehouse Dubai Chewies. Maganda yung packaging nila. Reusable box, tapos may pa-flower pa and instructions na kasama. Medyo sakto lang yung laki niya. We were actually expecting na mas malaki siya given its price. Maraming cocoa powder and malambot yung marshmallow coating. Maganda yung stretch. Sobrang creamy yung filling and unang kagat, lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pistachios. And kahit super creamy niya, andun pa rin yung crunch ng katayfi. Not too sweet din. Mas lamang yung nuttiness and creaminess na di nakakaumay. May konting alat siya that helps balance the flavor ng chewy cookie nila. May lasa rin chocolate kaya ang ganda ng flavor combination. Sobrang bet na bet namin itong Dubai Chewy Cookie nila na it goes up to our oh my god ranking. Pistachio Choco Chewy Cookies from 7-Eleven. Actually, hindi ko in-expect na maglalabas sila ng sarili nilang chewy cookies. But naghahagilap kami agad nito. Sa Makati pa kami nakatsyempo. Sakto lang yung laki niya for its price. Medyo makapal yung marshmallow coating, but may stretch pa rin naman. The filling is medyo dry and di ka tayfi yung gamit. I think they made their own crunchy alternative to give us that crunch pa rin. More on chocolate na tamis yung nalalasahan namin. Wala masyadong pistachio flavor. Medyo mahirap makatsyempo nito, so if you ask me, fourth it ba siya? I think okay lang naman na natikman siya once. May mas accessible, mas pasok sa banga ang flavors na kasing presyo niya na you can get from other sellers. So ranking namin, it's not for me. Cookie Spot's Pistachio Chewy Cookie. They actually sent us their chewy cookies for free kasi they wanted to get our honest feedback. We already shared yung feedback namin on the flavor, but here's our quick full review. Medyo maliit lang yung size ng chewy cookie nila pero tama lang naman for the price. May pistachio nut on top and maraming cocoa powder. Soft and stretchy yung marshmallow coating niya. Creamy yung pistachio filling with that crunch from the kataifi. Mas lamang yung flavors ng cocoa powder and pistachios, so mas on the nutty side siya. Parang thick pistachio butter yung flavor and texture niya, pero di siya nakakaumay. Siguro if this had more sweetness like from white chocolate, diretso siya sa S tier namin. But highly recommended namin tong Cookie Spot Dubai Chewy Cookies, lalo na if you prefer na di ganun katamis. Dubai Chewy Cookies from O Fudge, Manila. Sa packaging, panalo sila for us kasi ang unique and ang ganda. Dati pa namin gusto matry yung cookies nila, so sinabay na rin namin for a future review. Sakto lang yung size ng chewy cookies nila. Sobrang generous sa cocoa powder. Malambot yung marshmallow coating and tama lang yung thickness kaya ang ganda ng stretch. Unang kagat, oh my God, agad. Tamang creaminess, lasa may pistachios and sweetness, but may saltiness siya that made it mouth-watering and helped elevate the flavor. Ang sarap din i-dip dun sa excess cocoa powder for more chocolate flavor. We couldn't stop eating it. The flavor and texture combinations ng Dubai Chewy Cookies ng O Fudge are quite addictive. So far, siya yung nasa top ng pinakabet namin overall. Kaya this definitely goes right up our oh my God rank. That's it. Here are our final rankings for part 3 ng Dubai Chewy Cookie reviews namin. Alin dito yung na-try nyo na? Share nyo naman in the comments. Sa part 4, we'll be reviewing Dubai Chewy Cookies na we bought from TikTok. So stay tuned. See you sa part 4.